In this video, we are going to add drawing details to our layout tab. Currently, in my layout tab, we have created post and we have a arrow, and we have this title box, title block completed. Before adding drawing details, we need to do one more thing related to this node arrow. That is, we need to add this to a layer, separate layer. So I type A on my line, then I will get a copy of the 0 I will this arrow and select this arrow, right click and go to properties and select this layer as arrow. So now my arrow is updated. Now what I am going to do is I need to update these details in my title box. So to do that, I click here, click the title box block, right click, then go to edit block in place. So it will let me edit the block while the others are in place. So I will get a copy. I type copy in my command line, press enter. I will select this object to copy, and as the voice point I will select this one. Then I paste these things here. So we have to change the names here. As it, change the name as you can use your own names like here. Then go on to here, horizontal scale. Our horizontal scale is 1:2000, and our vertical scale is for 1:1000. Vertical scale is 1:200. For horizontal scale of 1:2000, vertical scale should be 1:400. So also you can use the one. For the drawing type, we need to do some modification here. I will do it in the next point. So I save the changes here now. Click OK. Now my changes are here updated. So other than that, you can update the client detail and contractor detail. If you have any other details, you can update here. Then instead of having the title here, I will delete this idle content from this block. Before deleting that one, I will take this out of this block. So to do that, I will type NC and copy, press enter, select this text, then press enter, and press enter again, and press enter again. 3 times you press enter. Now this has come out. This has come out. Now I go into the block. I select the title block, right click, go to block editor. Now I delete this title, close the block editor. Now my title has come out of the block. Other things are inside the block, other names are inside the block, but this title is out of the block. It is this page layer. So what I'm going to do now is double click this one, select all the text, and right click, go to insert field. Then I move the sheet set from here. Sheet set from here is current sheet set typing. Click OK. So it will give you some hash marks here instead of giving any name. So I will tell you what is happening here in a later video. So now we have completed adding drawing details to our title block as well as the page layout. So that is about that one. The next video we will see how to save this as a template.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.